Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add any character to your videos using AI. So if you want to insert anyone into your video with this easy to use AI tools, I'm going to show you how. So here I'm going to use CapCut AI and here I'm using CapCut on PC. Now what you need to do is just open your projects and go to the stickers options and go to this option AI generated stickers. So here you can create materials with prompt. So for example, I'm going to use this from a polar bear wearing a rat scarf. So I'm going to add a polar bear character to my videos. You can hit on generate, and now you can just wait until CapCut give you the options for the character that you want. Okay, so these are the character. For example, now you can just hit on the plus icon to add it into your video. Okay, so this is the character. Now I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to put it here, and to make it move, you can just add animations to the sticker. Click on animations, and here I'm going to use loop. Let's try the jiggle, rotate, flash. I think I'm going to just use the jiggle and adjust the speed. Okay, and just like that, the character will be added to your videos. You can add any character that you want in here by modifying the prompt. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.